This handheld laser cleaning machine is specially designed for rust removal on metal workpieces. It features a compact structure and convenient mobility, suitable for various on-site processing scenarios. Lightweight and flexible for handheld operation. It can be operated by a single person, easily handling large components and special-shaped workpieces without site restrictions. Equipped with dual oscillation control, the machine supports up to 10 oscillation patterns. Multiple oscillation tracks broaden the effective cleaning width and deliver uniform rust removal texture. Different oscillation modes can be selected freely to match workpieces and welding seams of varying widths and rust levels, greatly improving rust removal efficiency. Let's check the actual rust removal performance. The non-contact laser rust removal only strips surface rust and oxide layers without damaging the metal substrate. It adopts dry processing and requires no chemical agents. Dust can be collected easily to meet environmental production standards. It can consistently achieve high-standard cleaning results for either large-area rust removal or localized pre-treatment of welding seams, combining flexible oscillation functions and reliable rust removal performance. It serves as an optimal upgraded solution for rust removal and pre-weld surface treatment in the metal manufacturing industry. DN Laser. Cut future weld dream.